Struggling to extract meaningful insights from your raw data? Do you wish you could effortlessly transform numbers into actionable intelligence? Introducing Insio, the revolutionary web application designed to turn your Excel data into powerful insights.
First, get started quickly with secure account creation and login. Assume an Excel sheet having experimental data. This hypothetical example is about an experiment conducted at 2 locations. There were 5 treatments, each replicated 3 times. During the experiments, 4 different variables were measured. Values are shown in this table. This table is in wide format, which is okay to work in Excel for tabulations and preparing charts. The same format may not work well for data analysis, where we use Python scripts or other codes. It's recommended to transform this wide format to a long format. Let's see how Insio helps you to transform your wide format data into long format. If your data is wide, our Melt feature expertly restructures it into a long format ideal for analysis. Upload data and select Sheet. Easily select identifier columns, those to keep as is, and name your new variable and value columns. Review the transformed data before applying it. Export the preview of your restructured data as an XLSX file.
If you already have your data in long format, you can skip the pre-processing step and upload directly in step 1.
Upon upload, get an immediate summary for each column, including data type hints, empty cell counts, and value ranges, helping you understand your data's quality. The restructured data is automatically taken in as an input for the further steps. In step 2, configure the pivot table. Here you have the option to filter the whole table with the different column headings. For example, here I will filter the data based on location and will select only location 1 data. Then you can select what rows and columns your table will have. Also select the column that contains value or measurements and how you want that to be represented. Should they be averages or sum or count? After selecting all the parameters, generate the pivot table. You will get an output like this. You have the option to download this pivot table as an Excel spreadsheet.
You can use the pivot table for further visualization or reconfigure the columns going back. In case you want to get rid of a few rows, you can check them and remove. That leads to the next step of visualization. The filtered data from the pivot table automatically is fed into charts. There are 4 pre-built chart types: bar, line, pie, and radar chart. You can choose the best visualization based on your data. Let's go with the bar chart that's appropriate for the current data. There is a handle at the bottom right. You can adjust the size of the chart with this tool. There are a bunch of customizations that you can try here. You have the chart title and axis titles already pre-populated. However, if needed, you can edit the titles. Also, placement of legends are adjustable. You can also swap the X and Y axis. If you have too many labels on X-axis, it may be a good idea to swap it to Y-axis from a visualization perspective. Here's where Insio truly shines, our AI-powered insights. Engage with our intelligent AI assistant. Ask questions about your pivot table data, uncover hidden trends, and get specific, actionable answers. Ask for a summary of the results in the table. You can even upload a text file for additional context, helping the AI deliver even more relevant insights. Easily manage your conversation and clear the chat to start new inquiries. And finally, consolidate all your hard work with a comprehensive report. Our Print to PDF feature creates a professional, shareable document containing your source file details, pivot table, selected chart, and the full AI conversation, perfect for record keeping and sharing with your team. Insio is designed for you. Insio empowers you to make data-driven decisions faster and more effectively than ever before. Stop struggling with spreadsheets and start transforming your data into strategic assets. Sign up today and unlock the power of your data with Insio by visiting insio.chloropy.com.